It's going to take this 1 versus 1 up against the likes of Poppy Blast, but it's going to be Dalla with the med kit up on top. Distraction.
I went up away. 20 air bullets. Tell you. Yeah. Nice, it's fine. Hey, good.
Good knock, yeah, island.
Hold on. Oh! Fucking. Come on, baby.
No.
Like a fucking cornball, bro.
Just let him. My guy's siphoned, my guy's siphoned.
I got steamrolled. I got steamrolled.
How much mess? Nice.
Whole box, whole box, whole box. Oh.
Okay, I'm just...
Fuck.
Oh wow, that was great.
Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get a game without any refreshes in the end game. I think that the main thing to keep in mind here is that I still haven't 100% won the game. I have to make sure I continue to pop these medkits. That's one more player down. It's a 1v1 now, chat. I really have to make sure I continue clicking my mouse. Let's go, dude. That was an extremely skillful win. I will be posting this on Twitter and YouTube to instruct my viewers on how to get a game win without any refreshes.
Thanks to everyone that made it to the end. I know a bunch of people have been asking for settings, so here's all my settings. One last little thing I wanted to mention is that last video I set a goal for 100 people to use my supported creator code. I had never really even tried before and I didn't have any expectations, but you guys absolutely smashed it and we almost hit 200, so I just really want to thank anyone who used it. But that's all for me. Thank you guys. Bye.